Dear students, today consider exercise number 8.2 of NCERT book of trigonometry. Now all the problems are easy. Last video number 10, it was given one trigonometric table. You have to by heart the table. By using this table, we can solve easily all the problems. Now the problem is that evaluate the following. Number 1, sin 60 cos 30, sin 30, cos 60. Now we want to find value of this. Solution. This is sin 60 cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree. Sin 60 we know root 3 by 2. Cos 30 from table root 3 by 2. Sin 30 half. Cos 60 half. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is root 3 into root 3, this is 3. 2 into 2, this is 4. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, this is 4. LCM is 4. Then 3 plus 1, this is 4 by 4, and this is 1. So answer we get 1. This is our answer. The solution is clear. Just we putting the values of sin 30, cos 30, sin 60, cos 30, sin 30, cos 60. Just ready-made value from table. You have to see the table video number 10. This 10 number video it was given. Just see the table and watch the table and putting the values of this. And this is our answer. So next we consider this problem. In this problem, this is 2 tan square 45 degree given plus cos square 60 30 degree given minus sin square 60 degree given. So 2 tan 45 from table, tan 45 is 1. Cos 30, this is root 3 by 2 from table. And sin 60, this is root 3 by 2. This one we get. This is 2 into 1. 3 by 4. Root 3 square means 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. This is 2. This 2 will be cancelled. Plus minus. This is 2. This on our answer. So we consider number 3. This is 3 we consider. This 3 given cos 45 degree and sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree. So from table cos 45 is 1 by root 2 and sec 30, this cos 30 is root 3 by 2, this is 2 by root 3. And cosec 30, sin 30 is half, cosec 30 is 2, this one. So this is 1 by root 2 remains same. Here root 3 is LCM, this is 2 plus 2 root 3. We get this one. And this will be 1 by root 2 remains same and this becomes in numerator root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3 we get. This will be root 3 in numerator and this is multiplying 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 root 3 we get. This is root 3 remains same. From these two taking 2 common we get root 2 root 3, then we get root 6 because we know root a into root b, this will be root ab. So we get this. Now this root 3 is remains same. So we get this is 2 remains same. We write root 6 is here, root 2 this second term we can write no need. Here also same but we write root 6 first. But in this denominator it cannot be root, So we remove this root. Now what is the technique to remove this root? Root 6 plus root 2. We multiplying this root 6 minus root 2 in numerator and denominator. So we multiplying same number in numerator and denominator we get. So this is plus, we multiplying by minus numerator and denominator. If we cancelling these two, ultimately we get our previous term. So this is this will be root 3 into root 6. This is root 3 into root 2. And this is 2. This is a plus b, a minus b. We know this formula, a plus b into a minus b. This equal to a square minus b square. So this is a plus b into a minus b. So this will be a square minus b square. We get this. And this one, 2 remains same. This is 6. This is 2. Root 6 whole square is 6. Root 2 square is 2. And this is root 3. Root 6 means root 3 into root 2. And this is root 3 into 2, 6 we get. So this will be 2 into 6 minus 2 is 4. And root 3 we get 3. 3 root 2 minus root 6. So this will be 8. 3 root 2 minus root 6. This is our answer. Just putting the values from table, then I calculate, ultimately I get this is our answer. So clear this solution? This is nothing. Next we consider this problem. So now we consider this problem number 4. This is sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. This problem is given. Now we want to solve this problem. This is sin 30. Sin 30 is half. Tan 45 is 1. Cosec 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cosec 60 means 2 by root 3. And sec 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Then this is 2 by root 3. Cos 60. Cos 60 is half. And cot 45 is 1. So just from table we get these are the values. And 1 by 2 and 1, this is 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. This is 2 by root 3 remains same. 1 by 2 plus 1, this is 3 by 2. Why 3 by 2? You see 1 by 2 plus 1, LCM is 2, 1 plus this is 2, this will be 3 by 2. We can directly write this one 3 by 2. Next, taking LCM. So if we taking LCM, in numerator LCM 2 into root 2, this is our root 3, this is LCM. 3 root 3 minus 4. 3 root 3 minus 4 we get. And in denominator, LCM also 2 into root 3 is LCM. And here we get 4. And this is 3 root 3. We get this one. Now this LCM cancel. We get 3 root 3 minus 4. And there 4 plus 3 root 3 we get. This one we get. Now we write this is first term and this one second term. 3 root 3 minus 4 we write in this way. Now this is in denominator we get root. We must have denominator free from root. Now we multiplying, rationalizing this. If we rationalize, then this is plus given, we write minus. 3 root 3 minus 4. So here 3 root 3 minus 4 we can write whole square. So here write one term and here we multiply another 3 root 3 minus 4. Or we can write better to write this here also another term. Then no problem. So we write extra term, numerator and denominator multiplying by minus sign. This is plus given. If it is plus, then we multiplying by minus. If it is minus, then multiplying by plus. So this is in numerator 3 root 3 minus 4, 3 root 3 minus 4. This is whole square. 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. And this is a plus b, a minus b. This is a square minus b square. We get this. We know a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. We know this. So this is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. And this is 3 square means 9. And root 3 square is 3. And 4 square means 16. And this is a minus b whole square. We know a minus b whole square equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. This is our second formula in our life. So a minus b whole square, this is a minus b whole square. A square minus twice ab plus b square. This is a, this is b. A square minus 2ab plus b square again. So this is 27 minus 16, and here we get 3 square means 9 into root 3 square is 3 minus 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, 24 root 3 plus 16 we get. This is 4 square means 16. Next, this is 1 1. This is 27 minus 24 root 3 plus 16, and this will be 1 1. This is 1 1 we get, and 11 denominator, this 1 3, and this is 3 4, 43 minus 24 root 3, and this is our answer. So dear students, this solution is clear. If this solution is clear, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and do not forget to click the bell icon. Thanks.